Hey there DIYers out there, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to attempt to help our heat pump work more efficiently and become cooler. There's this design of this right here, which they sell online. You can get this, I think it's like over $100. I think it's like around 120 or so. But I looked and I can get through the parts for, let's see, what is it, about 15, roughly 25, 30 bucks, under 30 bucks, I can do the same thing. So I'm gonna save myself a lot of money and have my own design. And so basically what I have is some, just some PVC pipe. And then I bought a mesh screen, so it's wind can travel through it. So it's got the mesh, but it's a sunscreen, so it'll definitely keep the sun out. And the idea is to put this on top, and it protects all of the area so the sun's not hitting it directly. So let's go ahead and get this rigged up, save ourselves almost $100 in what the material cost would be. I'm spending, you know what, maybe a half hour out here assembling it. And then from the test they were showing, the ones that they did this on, I think they run about 15% more efficient. So it saves you money and also cools better. So tomorrow the heat index is supposed to be like 105 to 107, something like that. Today it got up to around 93, 94 degrees. So I definitely want this thing to be able to perform as top performance that it can tomorrow. So let's go ahead and get this going. All right, so I think theirs is like 2.5 across. My webbing is actually 3 foot, so I'm just going to go ahead and make it the 3 foot. So it'll be 3 foot across here, and then whatever the width is there, and then bring it across. So it'll be 3 across all the way around. So it'll give it plenty of shade to protect it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill holes at the end of my pipe and just use some zip ties to secure it through the little grommet holes they have. So we can go ahead and get that done. So that's the concept overall. So that's going to keep the most of the sun off of it throughout the day. And I just need to secure it to the unit, which I'll just do with some more, let's see. I think actually what I'll do is I'll just get a couple of bungee cords and bungee cord it to the vents. So I'll just take a bungee cord, just run it down through there on that side, one down through here on this side. So that's going to secure that right there, and just clip it down underneath here. I'll show you. So yeah, just like that. And we'll just pull this down. Just get one of those. So see, it's just bungee cord's just holding that right there in that place. And then this one, do the same thing, just won't be as far down, but the same concept. All right. Okay. So let's get the hook on one of those. I'm gonna pull this down. Hook on one of those. So that's in place. That's in place. So we need to do something there on the back. All right. I think we might be fine with the zip tie for back there. Let's see what we got. Crease it. There we go. So I'll crease it like that. So bring it down and get it to come back up. There we go, like so. Yep, just like that. Boom. So there. That's on there nice and secure. So you can see it's keeping the shade, sun off most of it. Of course, the sun's over here, so you can see, but this is the ideal thing, is it's keeping the sun off of the unit while still allow all air to flow. And this is again from the test. You can look online the other videos of these from the actual manufacturer. Again, I think it was like $125 for these things. It's ridiculous. So again, I spent less than $30, and then about half-hour time working on it, maybe a little more. But this is going to serve its purpose, and hopefully that'll allow the unit to run a lot more efficient. So if you like this little project and trying to save a little bit of money and have your AC run a little more efficient, appreciate it if you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time.